Welcome to our training session on understanding banking, importance and functions. Today, we'll delve into the fascinating world of banking, exploring its significance in driving economic growth, providing essential financial services, and ensuring stability in the financial system. Let's start with a fundamental question. What is banking? Banking is more than just a place to deposit money or take out loans. It's a dynamic industry that plays a pivotal role in the functioning of our economy. From the ancient temples of Babylon to the modern skyscrapers of Wall Street, banking has evolved significantly over the centuries. At its core, banking involves the acceptance of deposits, the lending of funds, and the provision of various financial services. But why do we need banks? What makes them so essential to our economy? Banks are the lifeblood of the economy, serving as the financial intermediaries that connect savers with borrowers. Let's explore some of the key reasons why banks are indispensable. Imagine a world without banks, where individuals hoard their savings under the mattress and businesses struggle to secure funding for expansion. Banks play a crucial role in facilitating economic growth by channeling savings into productive investments. Take, for instance, a budding entrepreneur with a brilliant idea but limited funds. By obtaining a loan from a bank, this entrepreneur can turn their vision into reality, creating jobs and driving innovation in the process. Banks don't just cater to businesses, they also provide a wide range of financial services to individuals. From savings accounts to investment opportunities, banks offer the tools and resources people need to achieve their financial goals. Consider a young professional setting aside a portion of their paycheck each month into a savings account. Over time, these savings accumulate, providing a safety net for emergencies or funding future endeavors. In addition to fueling economic growth and serving individual needs, banks play a vital role in maintaining financial stability. Through prudent risk management and adherence to regulatory standards, banks help safeguard the integrity of the financial system. By diversifying their loan portfolios and investments, banks spread risk and minimize the impact of adverse events. This risk-sharing mechanism enhances the resilience of the banking sector and reduces the likelihood of financial crises. Perhaps most importantly, banks foster trust and confidence in the economy. When individuals and businesses have faith in the banking system, they are more likely to invest, spend, and contribute to economic growth. Now that we understand the importance of banks, let's explore the various functions they perform to fulfill their role in the economy. One of the primary functions of banks is to accept deposits from customers. Whether it's a checking account for daily transactions or a fixed deposit for long-term savings, banks provide a safe and secure place to store money. Imagine a retiree looking to generate a steady stream of income during their golden years. By investing in a fixed deposit with a bank, they can enjoy a predictable return on their investment while preserving their capital. In addition to accepting deposits, banks also provide loans and credit to individuals and businesses. Whether it's a mortgage to buy a home or a business loan to expand operations, banks play a critical role in providing access to capital. Picture a small business owner with ambitions of expanding their operations. With a loan from a bank, they can purchase new equipment, hire additional staff, and take their business to the next level. Banks facilitate a wide range of payment services, allowing customers to transfer funds, make purchases, and pay bills conveniently and securely. Consider a family member living abroad who wants to send money home to support their loved ones. Through electronic funds transfer services offered by banks, they can quickly and efficiently send funds across borders, ensuring their family's financial well-being. In addition to traditional banking services, many banks also offer investment banking services, such as underwriting securities, providing advisory services, and managing assets on behalf of clients. Imagine a technology startup seeking to raise capital by going public. With the assistance of an investment bank, the company can navigate the complexities of the initial public offering (IPO) process and access the capital markets to fund its growth. Lastly, banks provide foreign exchange services to facilitate international trade and travel, allowing customers to exchange currencies, transfer funds internationally, and manage foreign exchange risk. Think of a tourist visiting a foreign country for the first time. By exchanging their home currency for the local currency at a bank, they can purchase goods and services with ease, making their travel experience seamless and enjoyable. In conclusion, banking is not just about managing money, it's about empowering individuals, businesses, and economies to thrive and prosper. As we look to the future, the role of banks will continue to evolve in response to changing technologies, regulations, and customer preferences. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of banking. We hope you've gained valuable insights into the importance and functions of banks. Remember, whether you're saving for the future, starting a business, or planning for retirement, banks are here to support you every step of the way.